To set up new network QuickBooks Desktop on two computers. Start by ensuring both computers meet the system requirements for QuickBooks. This includes having a compatible operating system, sufficient RAM, and adequate storage space. Next, purchase and download QuickBooks Desktop from the official Intuit website. Then install it on both computers. During the installation process, you will be prompted to choose the installation type. Select the option to install QuickBooks as a multi-user network. After installation, set up the server computer, which will act as the host for your QuickBooks company file. This computer should have a stable and fast connection to the network. On the server computer, open QuickBooks. Then go to the File menu and select Utilities, followed by Host Multi-User Access. On the client computer, open QuickBooks. Then go to the File menu and select Open or Restore Company. Navigate to the location of the company file on the server computer. Select the file and click Open. You will be prompted to enter the server computer name or IP address. Enter this information and click Next. Best practices for setting up a multi-user network include ensuring all computers are running the same version of QuickBooks, setting up a backup routine for your company file, and limiting user access to sensitive data. Regularly update your QuickBooks software to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. By following these steps, you can successfully set up new network QuickBooks Desktop on two computers, allowing multiple users to access and work on the same company file simultaneously. This setup is ideal for small businesses with multiple users who need to manage finances, track inventory, and generate reports.